Hello, welcome to Humane, the podcast where we explore the depths of holistic healing and wellness. I am Siddharth, and today we have Dr. Chetan Raj, an expert in homeopathy, with us. Hello, doctor.
Hello, sir.
So, tell us what exactly is homeopathy and what made you choose it?
So, what made me choose this is an interesting story. Because when we were kids, no, and whenever we suffered with fever, cold, cough, or XYZ, any infection, generally children suffer with a lot of infections. So, what our father used to do was take us to a pediatrician. And when we went to the pediatrician, he used to prescribe us antibiotics, medicines, XYZ, whatever they prescribe. So, what happened was the fever would not come down in 2 to 3 days. And parents, especially Indian parents, they are worried. And then what happened was one of my uncle was a homeopathy doctor. And my father thought, why not just try homeopathy once for our children? So we went to him, and then the fever came down in just one day. And then the next time, what happened was I suffered from a typhoid infection. And then again, we directly went for homeopathy treatment. And this time, what happened was typhoid subsided in just 2 days. I was somewhere around in 6th or 7th standard at that point of time. So, my father was very happy. I was fascinated because I was just taking sweet pills, no injections, no tablets, no syrups, nothing. And in fact, it was curing much faster when compared to English medicine. So then what happened was I developed interest in homeopathy, that I should also be a homeopathy doctor. And my parents were also suffering from chronic illnesses, and they have also taken homeopathy during that point of time and got totally rid of their illness. And then when I came to completed my 12th, I joined a homeopathy medical college. So that is how I landed up into homeopathy. And what is homeopathy? So, what in short, generally we believe is already the patient is suffering with some problem, with a big problem or a small problem. We do not want to make the patient suffer more. And that is the reason we choose sweet small pills to cure the patient. And homeopathy is a system of medicine which is based on a few principles, like how Ayurveda is based on few principles, Siddha is based on few principles. In the same way, homeopathy is also based on few principles. And the main principle of homeopathy is it is holistic healing. Like, we consider the patient's disease, we consider the patient's mind, we consider the whole body of the patient, and only then prescribe the medicine. And what is more important is our medicines do not have any kind of side effects. So without side effect, we cure both acute and chronic cases. So that
And
is homeopathy.